Hello, I am going to walk you through a fun little feature. It's called Messenger Code. And the way you would use Messenger Code, for example, is if you go to an event and you want to exchange information or you want to get in touch with somebody after the event. So you can exchange your Messenger codes and it will connect you on Facebook Messenger. And so you could throw away those business cards because often when you exchange a business card, the person never follows up. So this way you can make that instantaneous connection. Now, some people, like I was just at an event, and what I would do with people is, oh, are you on Facebook? Well, and then we'd search for each other and then we'd add friends, add the other person as a friend. That you don't have to be friends to connect with people using a messenger code. So it's really such an easy way to do this. A lot of people don't know how to use it, so you just have to tell the person how to use it, but it's really simple. So I am going to show you right now what you do. So you want to click on your little messenger icon. So I'm going to do that. Now, these are people, like this is my regular messenger that comes up with my recent messages. And so what you want to do is you want to go down and click on that little people icon at the very bottom of your screen next to the home icon. So you want to click on people. And then what you want to do is you want to come here, and up here there's this scan code. So you want to click on scan code. When you get to scan code, there's actually two options when you get to scan code at the very top. So you see there's my code and then there's scan code, okay? So I'm going to show you what my code looks like, okay? So when I click on my code, that is what my profile, that's my Facebook profile picture. And so this is a code that a reader, another person's phone can read this code, just like a UPC label. Think of it as that. And so the other option is to go to scan code. So basically, one person's the scanner and one person's the receiver of the scan. Okay. So if I want to scan somebody else's code, then if I want to initiate that, then I put it on scan code and I tell them to go over to my code. So then I hover over, so I don't have another phone to use, so I just made up a fun pretend phone. So I'm going to scan somebody else's code, okay? So I'm going to put them under my phone. This is basically their phone. This is a fake phone I have, actually. And I created a little icon. So basically that's somebody's, just pretend, let's like use our imagination, that's somebody's Facebook profile picture, okay? So if they are on my code, like I showed you, and their little messenger code with their face on it is showing up, it'll automatically read that. And then when it reads it, it automatically opens up a message thread in Messenger for you. So I can't take you to that point and show you that and demonstrate that because I don't have another phone to show you that with. I do, my husband has a phone, but he doesn't use Facebook. So I'd have to go find a friend to demonstrate it. And I did want to share this. But yeah, so it's really cool. So again, if somebody is wanting to scan my code, I go here and then they hover over this screen and they grab my picture or my code. If I want to scan theirs, I go to scan and I scan theirs. So it's just a really simple feature, and it connects you as soon as you scan that person's code. You immediately are opened up into a thread, a message thread with that person. So that's what a messenger code is. Hope you enjoyed that.